In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed LinkedIn profile posts on your Wix website. This simple yet effective technique helps you feature essential LinkedIn content directly on your website, offering visitors a quick and convenient way to view your professional posts without leaving your site. To get started, first, you need to identify the specific LinkedIn post you wish to embed. Open this post in your web browser. Now, focus your attention on the top right corner of this post, where you'll notice a three-dot icon. This icon is more commonly referred to as the More Options button. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear as soon as you click on the three-dot button. Within this menu, you'll notice several options, but the one you're interested in is called Embed this post. By selecting this option, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. Inside this box, you'll find an HTML code that's linked directly to your LinkedIn post. This is the code that will enable you to embed your post on your Wix website. So make sure to copy this code correctly. Now that you have the code, the next step involves adding this code to your Wix site. Open up your Wix editor and navigate to the page where you plan to feature your LinkedIn post. Once you're there, look to the left-hand menu, and you'll see an Add button represented by a plus sign. Go ahead and click on this. Upon clicking, a new list of options, Omnibaza, will unfold, one of which is Embed. Select it, and then, from the subsequent options, choose the Embed HTML element. This element is usually identified by a set of angle brackets, also known as the less than and greater than symbols. By clicking on the Embed HTML element, its settings will become accessible. Here, you'll find an option that says Enter Code. Click on it, and a new HTML box opens up. This box is where you will paste the code that you previously copied from LinkedIn. After pasting the code, click on the Update button. The last part involves customizing the appearance of the embedded post according to your preference. You can adjust the size and position of the HTML element on your page as needed. This stage gives you the chance to make sure the post fits seamlessly within the design and layout of your page. To wrap this up, embedding a LinkedIn post on your Wix website follows a straightforward process. You start by accessing the post's HTML code on LinkedIn, copying this code, and then pasting it within the HTML element on your Wix page. Now, it's your turn to give this a go. Happy embedding!